Oh, she doing a little something, something for me. Hercules, Hercules. Baby. You know, it is something about some big hoop earrings that just makes you not look like a thumb. Welcome back to the channel. It's me, Lynn. Thank you so much for tuning in to today's video. Of course, we are going to hop right into this. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Drop me a comment down below. Most importantly, share the video so we can all slay accordingly, baby. And today I will be doing more of a small chit chat, just kind of like a get ready with me, another wig edition. And HerGivenHair was kind enough to send me out a beauty. Don't mind the oil stained fingerprints on the box. So we're gonna hop right into this. If you are interested in the unit, definitely check out all the information. It will be linked down below. So this is their U-Lace all-in-one half wig in a 3B, a 3C curly texture. This hair has been dyed to a 1B specifically for my hair color. Listen, HerGivenHair is making an effort, okay? And for that I will always be grateful. I don't think I've ever seen a half wig like this. It is kind of giving me like the old school wig vibes, you know what I'm saying, when they really wasn't giving us a lot of porting space. So this has a little bit of lace in the front, and I can tell you that it doesn't look like the knots are bleached on here, but they are relatively small. So I'm gonna clip this as well, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start with that side. I'll get that all watered down and juicy. So I think I pretty much have this tied down, you know, as much as it's gonna be. I am gonna go ahead and brush this back. I'm not gonna put it in the wig cap itself. I'm just gonna kind of hold it there, and then we're gonna go ahead and put this unit on. She doing a little something, something for me. Hercules, Hercules. Hello. And baby, no leave out. So the only thing I would change about this particular unit is I would definitely have the combs by the ear tab, especially if you're going to use them to kind of hunker down your wig. Them being by the parting space makes no sense. especially if you're wearing a wig cap. Now, if you're not wearing a wig cap, you can definitely have easy access. You know, I'd rather them be on the side of the ear tabs. I think it would just be, it would make more sense, all right? Now, I did have to use the elastic cord in the back to make it extra tight, and this is with the elastic band in the cap as well. So with this particular unit, I did and just make some really nice kind of faux baby hairs, if you will, and left them nice and messy, just to kind of match the wig. There is a little bit of a line of demarcation. It's not that big of a deal, you know. Y'all ain't all up in my head, alright? And you could also do the same with the sides. If I wanted to, I could definitely cut all of this, make it real short, and it would just blend seamlessly. This is a unit you definitely do not have to do any type of leave out. All of my hair is tucked in, so if you are dealing with like alopecia, if you're dealing with chemotherapy, if you have any type of hereditary hair loss, you know, and you're balding, this is the half wig for you. This is absolutely no leave out, and keep in mind that she's also glueless. Now, I'm lying a little bit. I had to use a little bit of Got To Be glue on the hairline just because it kept slipping back. I wanted to avoid that 2 p.m. shift. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I did also go through with the curls, and I sprayed them with just a little bit of Got To Be. If you're interested in a more detailed explanation for that, definitely click the eye in whichever corner it is in. But yeah, I think that's really my only gripe is the cap construction with this unit. But I think this looks really good, even with these pins in here. And I'll go ahead and take these out just so you could kind of see it really in action. But I think the pins are definitely giving it more of like a 90s, you know, that early 90s kind of feel where we had the pins in the hair. So cute, girl. I feel so cutesy fancy. Yeah. And the fact that y'all didn't even tell me I was missing an earring. Child, it be your own people. But big thank you to HerGivenHair for sending out this beauty. If you are interested in checking out these specs for this particular half wig, I will have all the information in the description box down below. I want to thank all of you for tuning in. Definitely appreciate it. If you love this format, I definitely appreciate you leaving a comment. It lets me know which direction I need to take. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you are subscribed to the channel, and most importantly, share the video so we can all say accordingly, baby. Take care of yourself, ladies. Keep yourself first. Most importantly, keep wearing it with confidence. And I'll talk to you all in the next one.